All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter held a protest demonstration outside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad today. The demonstration was led by APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar. The speakers, including Sagar, reiterated the resolve of Kashmiris to take the martyrs' mission to its logical end. In what's seen as an undisputed proof of the Modi-led Indian occupation regime's lack of interest in the preservation of the heritage of occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the High Court has given a final opportunity to the authorities to file a report indicating the status of 7 wetlands recognized to be of the international importance and declared Ramsar sites in the territory. A division bench observing the failure of the authorities to file the status report as a serious lapse noted that despite the court order last year, the report has not been yet filed. All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has deplored the surge in cordon and search operations and house raids in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said India is hell-bent on turning occupied Kashmir into a graveyard. Caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakar said that peace in the region could not be guaranteed till the resolution of the dispute of Jammu and Kashmir between Pakistan and India. In his address at the graduation ceremony of the officers in Rasalpur at the Pakistan Air Force Academy, he said, "Let me make it clear that there can be no peace without the settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir issue." Narendra Modi-led Indian regime has brought into action its police to conduct raids in Punjab and Haryana. A special cell of the Delhi police detained a youth from Haryana almost 2 months after graffiti for the pro-Khalistan was found on a flyover in New Delhi. Bharatiya Janata Party and Hindutva leaders are delivering anti-Muslim hate speeches with impunity while campaigning for the state assembly elections in Rajasthan. In all the speeches, the BJP and Hindutva leaders targeted the Muslim community and spread their divisive policies.